जो जो आएगा मैं करूंगा, उससे मेरे को एनर्जी मिलता है बड़ी। मेरी उंगलियां चलती है, मेरे जो सुबह उठ के मैं उंगली देखता हूँ, काम होगा तो मेरी उंगलियों में बहुत दम आ जाता है। कुछ दुखना बुकना सब कुछ है ही नहीं। बहुत मार खाया हूँ, 200 पिक्चर में मार खाया भी हूँ, दिया भी हूँ, गिरा हूँ, पड़ा हूँ, माटी अभी भी रगड़ते रहता हूँ अपने आप को माटी में ही, जाना जहां पर है। तो उससे बहुत एनर्जी मिलती है जमीन से, मिट्टी से।
For all film related interviews, reviews, and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
Pooja.
Hello, sir. Nice to see you. It's been 2 years since we last met. And Vijay, have been meeting through the lockdown?
Yes.
Do you feel our lives are something like the show that you've been in? OK Computer, this last 1 year, we become slaves to technology. So
yeah,
did
we
it
are
like
looking at the screens. No, I'll tell you a lot of insight. The script, we shot this, we finished shooting this one before the lockdown, right? The last shooting date was around end of Feb. Okay. And the script, when I read it, it already had ideas that there will be pandemics in the future. We will be infested by infections and viruses are going to be present. There will be climate changes due to which there will be a lot of allergy issues with people. Like my character Sajan is constantly red nose because he's sneezing and he has a running nose throughout because वो February में monsoon आ जाता है, फिर July में winter आ जाता है, तो सब ये हो रहा है. You know, that's where we're heading it. And then we went into a lockdown and all of this was happening. And I was like having a spooky experience. Like, okay, so we have a show in which people are wearing PPE suits and stuff like that. And it just become a reality in no time. So it was strange and surreal.
And Jackie, sir, you belong to the generation when we had no Google, we had no YouTube, we did not have emails. How are you handling all this?
Balancing it both. I'm trying to balance technology and nature together. In my film, definitely I'm like kind of totally against technology. I think it's going for a big danger, red. But in real life, I mean, it's the simplest thing is that we won't be able to talk to each other like I keep telling everybody. There are four people out here on the same company chatting with. I did this in 93. I wanted to see Tiger. He was 3 years old. So there was a little camera on a little computer of mine. I used to dial up, take the, it used to be a dial-up then. Microsoft ILS1, ILS2, ILS3. We used to take the link and give it to the family so we could see each other then. So I've been through this. I have seen it. I've seen in depth. So for me,
it's really nice.
Yeah, what I feel in my heart is that it should be balanced. It has to be balanced. Like if people talk about sparrows dropping down dead, sparrows no more in the city. God knows what it is due to. Is it pollution? Is it noise? Is it the radio wave? What the hell is it? But there are ways to protect them. Have more trees. Simple. Balance it. Their life has to be balanced, boss.
True.
है ना? Operation वगैरह करा रहे अगर technology नहीं होता, endoscopy नहीं होता.
No, I agree with that, but
boss.
Now we've all become data. Don't you think, Vijay, we are manipulated? You say your name and suddenly...
Manipulation तो है ही नहीं किसी का. वो तो अपने आप पे to be manipulated by humans. It's up to us. आप भी करते होंगे बच्चों को कुछ पढ़ाने का होगा तो उसको बोलेंगे आज मैनिपुलेशन के तेरे को कल खिलाऊंगा तो आज ये कर.
वो तो सब करता है.
वो सब करता है बेटा. इंसान की फितरत है.
Now we are now being manipulated by
technology is not manipulative. It's the creators.
The human mind, the creator.
That's why we need more ethical people to be running these businesses.
And like you're saying, I hope it doesn't get a mind of its own.
Scary. What if computer and technology, it is kind of dictating it, but robots is set in 2031. We are 10 years away from the reality that your show shows. You really think now robots are going to be, and we are going to become, the way we are dealing with each other, we are going to become extinct and the robots are going to rule. Robots.
I mean, that's a science fiction. It's still way ahead of us in terms of technology. Also, the consciousness of AI is very, very nascent. That's like a newly born baby stage. So it needs to be treated well to become a good child and eventually a good person grown up. So it's in our hands to see it become a person that we want, so that's why we need more ethical people running at the top of these organizations. Yeah.
And Jackie, sir, you said you felt like a child playing Pushpak, and the trailer that I've seen, his scenes are really funny. I mean, as he's gunning for Sarjan Singh, Baby Babu. Well, I was just laughing.
Hey.
What was the bromance like between the two of you? What was it like?
We were just enjoying each
show.
other's energy. I was just feeling my friend. I mean, he's come to take me somewhere, and I'm supposed to go with him. But as he himself is such a, ऐसे neurons उसके सारे जाग रहे हैं बच्चे के. I mean, our Vijay के neurons को मैं connect करके, we were trying to, we were not worried about,
Yeah.
We were touching each other. We could feel each other. We could understand each other. I could see his eyes. There were so many things that was happening. When two actors unite, it's like fireworks. No, we were simply engrossed in what we were doing.
It was an association that I was really waiting for, and it's an absolute pleasure and a privilege to be sharing that kind of intimacy and humor with this dashing man here.
Likewise.
And his name used to be Vijay in a lot of his films, huh? Vijay, by the way.
विजय का तो बात ही कुछ और है. विजय एक अलग चीज है. विजय का नाम भी विजय ही है.
So he has some really killer one-liners that, I mean, they were written on the script, and then he came and then he took it to another level. I remember in one scene he says, "Ozone mein khadda ho gaya hai," and it was so difficult for me to keep a straight face because I'm like serious about this investigation. He's saying ozone mein khadda ho gaya hai.
He's looking up.
I'm like, how is it my case? But and then he's like, you got temper issues. You need to start breathing from your nose. नाक से सांस ले, नाक की हड्डी में से सांस ले, and all of this is just improvising, and I'm like, okay, this is gold.
Wow.
So I was just playing along with him. At one place, he looks at a woman and he says, "ये pheromones जाने पहचाने लगते हैं." So
lovely. I can imagine what a riot it must have been. But it's been a while. You're picking and choosing subjects. Are you liking the content and the narratives now?
Is it for me or Jagu Dada?
This is for Jackie sir.
Bol Vijay.
So
this
yeah,
was the first for you, na Vijay. I didn't realize you'd never done a comedy.
I've never done a comedy.
ये मारपीट के रोल करता है, dark roles.
Correct. Dark roles करता है, काफी broken characters play करता है. But इसमें भी बहुत है, dark history है against the technology. Of course, he is a guy who understands technology. Therefore, he's working in the cyber cell. But his parents were DJ and they lost their job because software they're making music. So he saw a broken home as a child because and there is a very funny line in the show. He says कि अगर तुम लोग नहीं होते तो मेरे माँ बाप Burning Man में chill कर रहे होते. So Burning Man is a music festival. So we try to make humor out of people's tragedy, and so yeah, it was my first to do a comedy and my first in sci-fi, and so it is innovative. It's a first in India, a sci-fi comedy chose with the style of mockumentary. So it was a no-brainer. I just needed a lot of time, which I managed to give.
Jackie, so what about you? It's nice to see you back on our screens. Are you enjoying the kind of content? Because, he was our poster boy of cool back in the 80s and the 90s.
Never went out.
Never went out of style, always been in style.
Never.
I still remember him as Dashing Debonair. That's what they used to write in the film tabloids for him. Dashing Debonair, Jackie Shroff.
Yeah.
बता क्या पूछ रही हैं?
मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ, are you enjoying the kind of content that is coming to you and the characters?
Yeah. But here I was petrified because comedy is something which I feel takes you on stage. You gotta be so good to make anybody laugh. रुलाना बड़ा आसान है, हंसाना बड़ा मुश्किल है, और हंसाते रहना मुश्किल है. एक जोक मारो ठीक है, दूसरा मारो ठीक है, तीसरा मारो ठीक है, तो कब तक हंसूंगा भाई? मतलब एक लिमिट भी तो होता है, समझे कि नहीं? तो किसी को उसमें रखना, वो जोन में रखना और अपनी बातें भी करना, जो कि सीरियस बात है. और उसके लिए जरा मुश्किलात, मगर आसपास लोग भिड़ गए और चिपक गए तो सब ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है। टीम बहुत अच्छा है तेरा। अनंत गांधी जो उसका हेड बैठा बाबा, उसके नीचे पूजा शेट्टी and Neil is there. These are the gentlemen who are so serious about cinema. The passion for cinema is something else that rubs off everybody. And then the actors that were taken in here, you can look at the cast. So I think it was totally win-win. I was scared for sure, but once I went in and I started feeling my buddies out there and getting the vibration, I just blended. I kind of went like a water and उनके जो रंग थे वो चढ़ गए मेरे पे और मैं बहता गया.
And he was wearing no clothes, so every color could go on him.
That's what he said. It was very challenging to be in the raw. क्या सोच रहे सर?
कुछ नहीं सोच रहा हूँ, झाड़ देखूँ, झाड़ पान देखूँ, सोच रहा हूँ भाग जाके बढ़ जाऊँ उसके बाद.
And people send me messages that Jackie sir is ripped and is he working out? I'm like, no, you have to check him out. He's like fully ripped and
Yog, breathing, pranayam.
I know you're
pranayam. सांस ले लंबा.
सांस का लंबा ही लेना है. But honestly, Vijay, we've been talking a lot, and so I mean, you belong to the theater generation, and now we have OTT. A lot of people are saying now, in the name of content, we tend to compromise. Are you seeing that kind of laziness coming in now? Because it's the speed what you churn out.
I mean, I'm only watching stuff that is highly recommended to me, so I'm only watching the cream, I guess. And also being part of, not bragging, but I'm part of projects that really aspire to break the mold and do something new. So I don't know. Of course, there's more content than before, so there is more for us to pick and choose. So there's always, the choice is always lying with the audience whether they want to watch it or not, and they can totally skip episode if they don't like it anymore.
Absolutely.
So it's very, very like it's what सीधा तरीका है अभी. You can't manipulate the audience anymore.
Jackie, so what would you want to say? I mean, OTT is very democratic. Every talent has space. Do you think happy times for the industry?
And definitely more the merrier, I say. There was we used to go and see morning shows. 10 बजे का शो होता था क्योंकि इनको सिनेमा नहीं मिला जाता था. तो कंटेंट तो अभी बढ़ गया क्योंकि प्लेटफॉर्म्स बढ़ गए. उस वक्त का प्लेटफॉर्म खाली सिनेमा था, सिंगल स्क्रीन था बॉस. टेलीविजन भी का नामो निशान नहीं था, और टेलीविजन भी उस वक्त क्या कर लेता, एक पिक्चर दिखा दिए, गाने दिखा दिए, है ना. तो कुछ था ही नहीं बॉस. मॉर्निंग शो अच्छी पिक्चरें, मंथन देखने गए थे हम, अप्रोच देखने चले गए थे, मॉर्निंग शो में जाना पड़ा. वुडस्टॉक देख लिए, मॉर्निंग शो में देखना पड़ा. सिनेमा हॉल्स मिलते नहीं थे, समझी ना. There were many, but still we're like, and it's going to be more for sure. The amount of people that there is, like rural India, the main base of 80% is strong rural base. तो उनके लिए भी पहुंचना, सिनेमा हॉल्स साथ में बैठ के देखना, चिल्लाना. आज वो भी है, OTT भी है, डिजिटल भी है, स्टेज भी है, स्ट्रीट भी है, पपेट्री भी है, सब है. समझा बोला. खाली वेट करना, ये वैक्सीनेशन लेके सही तरीके से सब अपने लाइन में लेके लक्ष्मण रेखा में रहकर फिर से सिनेमा हॉल तो खुलना ही है दोस्त. ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता कि नहीं खुले. वो एक्सपीरियंस जो चद्दर पे देखने का और ये रुमाल पे आपको देखने का अलग है.
Well said. Thank you. This was excellent, Chaddar and Rumal. That's a good analogy. Anyway, जाते, what's your take on censorship on OTT? Now, एक नया मुद्दा, we are getting offended कि जो दिखाएं या ना दिखाएं. विजय बताओ.
I think the onus should lie with the audience. And of course there should be rating. Like we should totally tell people right now that our show can be watched by a 3-year-old and a 100-year-old and not take any offense because it's clean. It doesn't have language, it doesn't have nudity, it doesn't have any kind of violence. So it's absolutely accessible, just like how Mr. India was back in the day, a sci-fi and a comedy and a drama. This is exactly that kind of a show. It's palatable for everybody, and we want people to watch it. But if there is some content that you have in the show and it is not suitable for kids, the flag should be raised by the platform. And because there is an audience of 18 plus, there is an audience for 21 plus, there is an audience for 3 plus. So
Thank you so much, Jackie sir. Now, what kind of role are you looking for? आपने अब पुष्पक भी play कर लिए हैं, अब क्या है?
जंग जो आएगा मैं करूंगा, उससे मेरे को एनर्जी मिलता है बड़ू, मेरी उंगलियां चलती है, मेरे सुबह उठ के मैं उंगली देखता हूँ, काम होगा तो मेरी उंगलियों में बहुत दम आ जाता है, कुछ दुखना बुकना सब कुछ है ही नहीं। बहुत मार खाया हूँ, 200 पिक्चर में मार खाया भी हूँ, दिया भी हूँ, गिरा हूँ, पड़ा हूँ, माटी अभी भी रगड़ते रहता हूँ अपने आप को माटी में ही, जाना जहां पर है, तो उससे बहुत एनर्जी मिलती है जमीन से, मिट्टी से ना, तो वो चालू रहे। कोई भी रोल आए, अच्छे टीम के साथ आए, मैं तो हाँ ही बोलता ही हूँ, मेरे को ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, मैं सोचा ही नहीं कभी लाइफ में।
Thank you so much.
काम करते रहे।
जी सर, थैंक यू सो मच। विजय, लास्टली कौन सा ऐप है ऐसा जो आप डिलीट करना चाहोगे कि बहुत हो गया, अब नहीं सुनना, मुझे नहीं देखना, या क्रिएट करना चाहते हो?
I joined Clubhouse and then I immediately was like, this is not for me, so I'm off.
There's a Twitter with audio.
Yeah, Twitter, I want to get off Twitter. That's the next thing.
True. Any app you want to create that we should all have?
I want to create an app where people can collectively watch, they can plan and collectively watch stuff together instead of watching alone.
Nice. Thank you so much. All the very best. Lovely
Like
talking to you both.
Uber for audience, like they can come together and watch something together.
बड़ा अच्छा आइडिया दे रहा है,
कोई कर देगा। कॉपीराइट विजय वर्मा का
कॉपीराइट है भाई का, ये हम लोग सब सुन लिया।
या पीट देंगे।
I'm ready to give this idea free of charge.
आइडिया दे दिया है, ready to give दे दिया आपने। अभी
But thank you so much. Thank you very much.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.